Canister vacuum cleaner.
Consumer Reports, we test uprights, canisters, stick vacs, and even robots to help you find the best vacuum, whether you have a tiny apartment or vast amounts of carpet. We even run special tests for pet owners to identify the vacuums most effective at cleaning up all that hair. This guide will arm you with the expert knowledge to pick the style or model that best suits your needs. Consumer Reports Online subscribers can find specific brand recommendations and exclusive product ratings on our website.
Top 10 Best Canister Vacuum Cleaner among the whole. Let's get started with the list. List number 10. Miele Complete Marin Canister Vacuum. Miele's Complete Marin Vacuum Cleaner features an Premium Electro Brush ideal for cleaning low to high pile carpeting, rugs and smooth flooring. Main features: 6-stage variable speed motor, automatic speed setting, Premium Electro Brush, air clean sealed system. List number 9. New Miele Complete Vacuum Cleaner. 6-stage variable speed motor controlled, air clean sealed system. Integrated accessories: Electro Plus Electro Brush, Mini Turbo Brush. List number 8. Bissell Floor Expert Canister Vacuum. Multi-cyclonic technology. Hard floor turbine foot. Multi-surface foot. The easy empty dirt tank opens. Compact and lightweight design. List number 7. Oreck Compact Canister Vacuum Cleaner. The perfect cleaner. You can carry easily. Wear it over your shoulder. Strong enough to pick up a 16-pound. Not a dust cup. List number 6. Zing Bagless Canister Vacuum. Plastic metal. Imported. Bagless convenience. Cyclonic action and powerful suction. Multi-surface cleaning. 3-stage filtration. Airflow regulator. List number 5. Ovente Bagless Canister Vacuum. Main features: fast and efficient advanced multi-level. Filtration great value convenient. Step button to turn on off. Automatic cable rewinder. Easy maintenance. List number 4. Hoover Lightweight Canister Vacuum. Includes a reusable commercial cloth bag. Built-in blower allows. Hose stretches for extended reach. It has 2 available colors. List number 3. Bissell Bag Vacuum Purple. Powerful suction. Lightweight. Multi-surface cleaning. Automatic cord rewind. Full bag indicator. List number 2. Mite Deluxe Vacuum. Lightweight and liftable conveniently. Easy to carry. Powerful suction. Easy remove empty dust bag. It has 3 available colors. List number 1. Bissell Zing Rewind Vacuum. New choice of a new generation, the Zing Bagless Canister Vacuum is a convenient, whole home cleaning system. Its lightweight, compact design makes traveling up stairs with the floor brush easy, especially since the Zing has a carrying handle. Main features: cyclonic action and powerful suction. Multi-surface cleaning. 3-stage filtration. Easy empty dirt cup. Canister vacuum cleaner. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video.